All right, so we are back in the garage. SVO's all back. We made it back from the track, no problem. Changed out the plugs. It looked like one of them was having some detonation issues. Not surprising. I think I was running too much boost and timing at the track, even with all the fuel system and stuff. But what we're doing today, I have an extra elbow for the T3, and I plan on using a couple pieces I just picked up locally to try and fit this onto here to get rid of the small opening here. I've already got a 3-inch exhaust system on the car, so if I can do this, it should theoretically help out, but may not. It's just kind of something to do with the car. I know the turbo is pretty much maxed out anyways, but maybe a little bit less restriction on the exhaust may help. This will definitely be a lot of work. I don't know that I have the skills or tools to completely do it correctly, but something we'll wait to find out. Alright, so part one is done. Use my 4-inch grinder. I forgot I got some actual cutting bits for it. You can see one of them fell apart like immediately. But as with anything Harbor Freight, I don't trust it all the way, so wore my jacket and welding hood just in case. But it actually was not that difficult. You can see it actually looks halfway decent. It's halfway flat right away, so let's keep on going. Okay, so got it cut. Don't mind that. I'll just fix that. It's 2 pieces now. We shouldn't be like impossible to do this. Oh, here, this will work. So I got some massaging to do, but I mean I'll just hammer down the top. Should be good to go. All right, so we did a thing. It is all finished up. It is not the prettiest in the world, granted. Can't really expect too much out of somebody like me that's only been welding for like a month. Anyway, I went ahead and filled it with water and the thing doesn't leak, so that's always a plus. Can't really see too well in there, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely a lot better. I actually measured the opening of the old elbow, and that sucker was only 2 inches wide, so that's awfully small. And then you can do a size comparison between them, see how much smaller that guy is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty happy. Took a little while, but next time I'm going to cut it off probably pretty short up here, and then get the short piece of this guy on there, and then get this all welded up to the existing downpipe as well. Get that all situated, and then hopefully be shooting for actual 12s.